It's Gina with the Sip, Eat, Talk Dinner Chat. Check out what's on my dinner menu tonight for my sip and eat while I talk about what my favorite childhood celebrity crush. When I was in the 5th grade, my teacher asked what we wanted to be when we grew up, and I said LL Cool J's wife. That's right, LL Cool J was my guy. My friends and I even had a dance routine we did to I Need Love. It included the WAP and everything. My brother gave me my first cassette tape, which was the Bad, Bigger and Deffer album by LL. He also gave me Bad by Michael Jackson that year, too, for Christmas. I had posters up in my wall. I kissed them. I write hearts in them with our names in them. And guess what? Now, after 30 years, he's going to be headlining his first tour. And I'm going to, just like New Edition, get my whole life. He wasn't my only celebrity crush, shout out. Y'all know how I feel about Prince and Michael Bivins from New Edition. But I'll share those stories on another day. But what about you? Tell me who your favorite childhood celebrity crush was. What do y'all think about my dinner?